Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code. In this video, we're going to be going over Turtle in Python. So what is Turtle? Turtle is a graphics library in Python that allows you to make very basic graphics while also teaching you some basic concepts about Python. So let's jump right into it. So inside of our Python file, we're going to need to first import Turtle. And what this does is just allows us to use all of the Turtle mechanics within our program. And now let's initialize our turtle. So t equals turtle.turtle. This allows us turtle.turtle. And what this does is it allows us to actually create a turtle and make it do what we want it to do. Now let's create a loop so it runs through the code that we write a few times. So for I in range, let's say 500. Now let's make the turtle move right 30 degrees. So the way we do that is we say t dot right, then specify the number of degrees, 30. Now let's make it go forward 30 units. So t dot forward 30. And now let's put the turtle down. So what this does is it specifies that we're not going to be using the turtle anymore for the program, and it can release the memory storage that's being used to contain it. So let's save and let's run. And as you can see, it's going through this loop 500 times. It's turning towards the right 30 degrees and it's moving forward another 30 units. And it's going to continue doing that until the range of 500 is over. So let's just close this. And now let's do some more complicated things with this turtle. So you can also make the turtle go to a specific coordinate. So let's say t dot go to. And let's say go to the coordinate I times 6 and I times 3. And the first argument here is the x coordinate that we want to go to. The second argument here is the y coordinate that we want to go to. So it's going to the x coordinate of I times 6 and the y coordinate of I times 3. So now let's save it and run it again. And as you can see, it's drawing out this shape. And it's going to continue doing that. It's going to go off the page as well, but you can expand it. And it's going to continue doing that for 500 repetitions. So you can also change the color of this turtle. So you can say t dot color, then specify whatever color you want. So let's go with orange. Let's save and let's run again. As you can see, now it's orange. And what if you want to change color while it's drawing to multiple different colors? Let's create a list and let's actually do that. So we can say colors is equal to, let's just put a few colors in here. Pink. Let's say green. Orange. Let's go with blue. Purple. Red. And let's one more, black. And now we have 7 colors. So now instead of changing it to orange, let's change it to colors. And then the index, well, since we want to change each time, let's change it to I mod 7. This will just change it to the remainder once I is divided by 7. So that can be 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 6. And let's save and let's run again. As you can see, now it's changing with each repetition. And then say you want the turtle to go to a specific coordinate point without drawing the path it took to go there. You can do that as well by saying t dot pen up. So that lifts the turtle up. Now it moves it to whatever spot you want it to go to. Let's put this before the go to. And then let's put the pen back down. T dot pen down. If you don't put the pen back down, then it won't draw anything you put afterwards. So let's save. Let's run again. As you can see, it draws out a similar shape, but now the lines are not connected because it's putting the pen up and down as it's going to the different points. All right, and these are just a few of the basic commands that you can do with Turtle. So I want you guys to try this out and let me know how you like it. Check out our Discord. You can post your turtle drawings there. Check us out on GitHub as well. You can post any questions you have on the Discord or in the comment section below. This has been Steam Code. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.